Have you ever seen someone cooking something very delicious, or he's cutting some red bell pepper so that he can actually prepare some Chinese rice? And whenever the Chinese rice is ready, how do you want to eat your Chinese rice? You want to make sure that you're eating your Chinese rice when it's smoking hot and served hot. Now, to ensure that you get the latest videos straight off the oven, straight off the pan, make sure you subscribe. But subscribing is not enough. If you want to get the hottest food, instead of eating the cold food, you want to click the bell icon as well, because clicking the bell icon ensures that you get a notification pop up on your mobile phone or on your channel. So make sure you click that one. Let's jump straight into the video. Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update. We've talked about this cam pumps a while ago, and yesterday talked about JASMY in detail. That JASMY actually pumped up, but I told you that all you need to understand is that sometimes when you pump, you have to ask yourself, why are you pumping? Now, bringing in the EMAs, you can see that you got rejected at the 20 EMA, and previously you had this level of support right there. So you had that support, you moved to the upside, came down, you break down, and that was pretty much a loss of support, and you back tested this line, which is now turning into resistance, and you're probably getting rejected. So my vision still remains bad, because it is bad based on what I look at on the charts. So right now you pretty much have that clear rejection. Tomorrow is the start of the weekend, and you can see that you very quickly just made a wick to the 20, and you still closed below the 10 EMA. So the 10 EMA right now is going to act a little bit heavy, and JASMY likes to do it. Like if I show you back in 18 September, today we're in November, 2 months ago, you can see that there was a bear cross right there. By the way, the bear cross happened here, and when the bear cross happened, you can see it went to the upside to backtest the 55, got rejected at the 55, came down, got rejected at the 10 and the 20, came down, get rejected at the 10, hit your head at the 10, make a wick to the 20, and then go down, and then finally pump, get rejected at the 55. Okay, now same situation, same story. Again, get rejected at the 55, make another cross right there, continue lower, move down, get rejected at the 10, make the wick to the 20, go lower, maybe come down to 29 again, the 10 comes down again, pump back up to maybe the 10 again, which is going to be 33, move down, go in waveform, go down, correction to the upside, impulsive move down, up, impulsive move down, come to the technical target, something like that. And that's pretty much it for this update on not Luna Classic, but JASMY. And if you want to learn more, always check out the trading course and message me on Twitter to get it. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.